Hi everyone, this is Lokesh from Devil's Tattoos and welcome to another episode of Devil's Tattoos product reviews. Just to let you know, any Devil's Tattoos product review videos are specifically made for tattoo artists. So if you're not a tattoo artist, I don't know if this video will be useful for you, but if you're a tattoo artist, it will be very useful for you. And if you still want to stick around, you can watch the whole video. Thank you. So the product that we will be reviewing today is this bed, which is made in-house by our team. We have an engineer in our team, Vivek Doze. So Doze Imagineering, in collaboration with Devil's Tattoos, we have bought this bed for the artists, and I'll tell you what is special about this bed. So I got this idea from when we had a really small studio, and I really had a lot of problems all the time. Like if you're sitting here, and if the client is getting tattooed on the left hand like that, you can do it here. If the client is getting tattooed on the right hand, then you have to rotate the whole bed, right? Every time you have to rotate left or right. And when you have a small studio, that is really a big problem. So to solve this problem, we have this. This goes down and this goes up. So if the client is getting a tattoo on the right now, he can sit like that. And if it's on the left, the other way, you can simply put it down, lift it up from here. So this is a space saver. You don't need to keep on rotating the bed all the time, left and right, especially if you have a space constraint. So this is one of the most important features of this bed. The second most important feature of this bed is I was inspired to find a solution for that problem. Like I had really bad back problems, like most of experienced tattoo artists who are working for 10-15 years, they develop this problem. So sometimes you have to do a tattoo on the ankle, you have to really bend down. And the beds which go, even if the hydraulic beds where you push it, they don't go that high. So here we have put, this is electronically controlled. It goes up, the touch of a button. And see how high does it go. So even if I have to tattoo a leg right now, it's on my waist height and I'm 5'11". So I can literally stand and make it a little bit higher also. The client is lying down like that here. You can raise it up a little bit. Their leg is here and you can just stand up and tattoo. So this is the second most important feature. No bed goes this high. In India I've not seen any bed going this high. And with the touch of a button, it goes down. So second most important feature of this bed. Talking about going down, it goes this much down, like really, really low. So height adjustment is not a problem with this bed. So this is a really high quality product. As if I venture into something, I make sure that it is high quality and durable. Of course, it comes with a price, and this is the remote of the bed. When not in use, you can simply, put it here, and you don't even need to take it out. You can just operate it while the remote is there, and while the client is sitting on it. So for a demonstration, I would like to call Anchit to sit on the bed. So if I have to tattoo him anywhere, it goes down very easily. He is, I think, a fully grown human, 70 kgs approximately, I guess. And with his weight also, it goes up and down fairly fast. So this is what I was talking about. If I have to tattoo his leg, I'll just make it this high, and I can work on his leg or his ankle or anywhere. So sometimes you feel like you're doing an 8-hour session and you want to stand. This is designed for that. You can stand and really work on this bed. Yeah, so how I was telling you in the beginning, if I have to tattoo his right leg, I'll be doing it like this. But if I have to tattoo his left leg, can you come down, Anchit? Anchit is the guy who does all our videos, by the way. So I'll put it here. Can you hold this for a minute? So see, I did not need to, rotate the whole bed. So if you're having space constraint, this is the bed that will last you a lifetime. So if I have to tattoo his left side, left hand or left leg, I don't need to rotate the whole bed. I can just work like this. Another thing I would like to tell you is that this bed does not wobble. Like you've seen those hydraulic beds which has one pillar in the middle and no support on the sides. The problem with those beds is that those beds after some time they start to move and wobble. Whenever a client sits, it'll be like a seesaw going up and down. So this has support from all four sides, and that problem won't happen with this bed. And that is the problem due to which most of the people change their beds. So we eliminated that problem here. Another few things, about this bed that you should notice. Of course, it's easy to sterilize and clean with Bacillol and all these disinfectants that you use. This Leatherite is really high quality, and I'm using it since the last 3 years, not even a single crack. So yeah, you can use all these products to sterilize and clean it very easily. This bed is really heavy. I think it might be 100. That day I was lifting it up with two more people, and it was really heavy. But the good part is it is very easy to move. Like, see how easy I can move it, and I'm sure it is more than 100 kgs. And that is because first, when we developed this product, we had put those rubber grooves here. These legs, whatever you call these things, that was rubber, and they used to stick to the floor, and that used to make the bed feel very heavy, like more than its actual weight. But that's how you learn, hit and trial. Then we use these plastic ones, and this is a very high quality plastic. It is thick plastic, but it is very slippery. So if you have to move the bed a little bit, you can actually do it with one hand. But it does not mean this bed is very light. It's a very heavy bed. Yeah, so these were some of the features of the bed that we are manufacturing in collaboration with Vivek Doze. Vivek Doze is an engineer by profession. He's tattooing since 2003, I guess. Along with me, he started. So 17 years of tattooing experience. He also makes tattoo stations, handrests, iPad holders, and all other accessories. So if you have any other query, we'll be doing all those videos also soon, by the way. So yeah, any other query that you guys have, we'll be posting all the detailed information, email address and phone numbers at the end of the video. So this product is completely made in India. Support your local artists, support your local products, and this is a really durable product. I am using it since the last 3 years in my studio, and then after testing and everything, we finally thought to make it available to public commercially. So yeah, any other queries, please feel free to write to us. All the details are given at the end of the video.